Hey guys, it's Allison at Get Real REI, and I get asked all of the time, why would real estate investors want to work with realtors? Well, other than the fact that I'm a realtor myself and that I'm a joy to work with, there are quite a few reasons. Just kidding. No, really, I'm serious. But first and foremost, realtors have easy access to the MLS, which is the multiple listing service. Each state has a different one. Each state has an MLS service. So at least I know, or at least I think most states have the MLS service. So you want to make sure that you get signed up. They can actually sign you up for a list, and you can tell them what type of property that you're looking for. You can get these properties emailed to you on a regular basis, on a daily basis. Once these properties come out, once they come on the MLS, you'll get them sent to you. Now, you want to be as descriptive as you possibly can. Don't just say, hey, I want a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. You want to try to be as descriptive as you possibly can. So you want to tell them the beds, the baths, your location, the price, even the approximate year build or range, whether you want a new home or an old home. So you want to be as descriptive as you possibly can, because the more specific you are, the better you're going to get, the better your criteria is going to be, your search results are going to be, and it's going to fit your criteria more than if you just said, hey, I want a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. Realtors know other realtors. Of course, we have access to other realtors on a regular basis. We work with them, we deal with them, that's who we work with. There are quite a few homes that don't make it to the MLS, and these are called pocket listings. If you don't know what a pocket listing is, it's a listing that a realtor has, but it actually has not been put on the MLS yet. There can be numerous reasons why it's not on the MLS. Some may be refinancing their property, or like I said, there can be different reasons why it's not on the MLS. Some clients may just not want their property on there. So these can often be good deals because a lot of people don't know they even exist. So if you're close with a realtor and you're working with a realtor, they know of pocket listings. We find out from other realtors all the time, hey, there's a pocket listing at such and such address. So these can be great deals to work with. Realtors also know the neighborhoods that you're buying and selling in. If, of course, which I hope they are, if they're listing and showing homes in your target area, then they're going to know what neighborhoods are hot, the ones that are selling. They can give you property values. You want to make sure they can tell you what the property values are. Also, rental rates. They can tell you what the rental rates are in the property. How many homes are actually selling in that neighborhood? How many homes are actually being rented in that neighborhood? What's the ratio? So you want to know what you can stay away from and what are good areas to actually try to work in. And if a realtor's active in these areas, they can actually tell you that. They can tell you what to stay away from. So working with them will cut down your research time significantly. Realtors, of course, are connected with other professionals. If you're new to investing, you definitely need to build your team. If you're not new to investing, hopefully you have already built your team. But by this, we mean you want to make sure, by building your team, you want to have a good accountant, you want to have a good attorney, a good mortgage broker, etc., contractor. You want to make sure you have all of these people in your team, a good realtor. Realtors work with people like this on a daily basis, so they know who's good, they know who you should stay away from, who you should work with. I've said it before, but save yourself some time and get referrals. Referrals are going to help you out in many, many ways, because like I said, if you've already worked with somebody, they're going to be able to tell you, hey, this person's, you might want to stay away from them, or hey, this person, I worked with them before and they're great. So referrals are always great. You need to stick with those if at all possible. Realtors work on commission. Of course, that's what we do. That's how we get paid. You can leverage their time to find you homes and get all the details without paying for that until you actually buy the house. So you can't really say that with a lot of other stuff. That's a pretty good deal. You can actually wait till the house, until you buy it. This means less work for you, no cash out of pocket, because the seller is going to pay the commission unless otherwise agreed upon. So in most situations, the seller is going to pay the commission, which is good for you, because that's a lot of money that's not coming out of your pocket, depending on how much the house is. One thing that most investors who want to sell or rent homes don't realize is that realtors have buyers, they have renters, they have friends that have buyers that have renters. So this means less marketing to sell or rent your home and more qualified buyers, more qualified renters. So they're gonna basically they hopefully if they're a good realtor they're gonna have lots of buyers, they're gonna have renters, they're gonna have all of these people, and their friends are gonna have people, and you're gonna get referrals from that. These realtors are gonna get referrals from that also. So these are some of the many reasons that you should work with a realtor, that investors should work with a realtor. And again, you can check out more at www.real-estate-investing-club.com for more tips and information.